Make a silk purse out of a pig's ear. This means to create something valuable or attractive from something that is not, to make the best out of a poor situation or material. This idiom dates back to the 16th century, emphasizing the improbability of transforming something of low quality into something refined. The phrase highlights creativity and resourcefulness. It is commonly used in British and American English to describe unlikely or impressive transformations. Incidentally, a pig's ear is a stand-alone idiom to mean something that is of very poor quality or describe a bad situation. For example, the old house was a wreck, but they made a silk purse out of a pig's ear. Or, turning that mess into a successful project was like making a silk purse out of a pig's ear. Or, I went to see them put up the tent in the park, but they made a real pig's ear out of it.